fight.
Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit?
You put the dick in predictable and went for my head like a dipshit. You think you got me beat already? If I got a pulse, I got a chance!
You have nothing!
Let me guess. Makima's the sole reason you're here, am I right? Then I'm glad I beat the crap out of you.
I'm a public safety hunter from Special Division 1. You get a real kick out of being called Master, so that's how you're gonna refer to me.
By Lorenzo.
You're full of shit.
cannot protect our country from devils.
You're full of shit.
She's a nightmare.
That's why we broke up in the first place. Cause I want you to know that I'm ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat.
Ooh, there's pie? That just has to be pie! Incorrect.
Devil's is a spy? Ever!
I know what you are! 助けてください！悪魔に襲われてます！そりゃダメか。なら仕方ない。皆殺しコースかな。
Forgot things could be beautiful. I forgot it was an option.
I have only one intention, to save as many people as possible from devils.
You're full of shit.
Never let go of me.
I asked the Special Division to send backup. We're saved.
Coming in! We gotta change the plan!
The violence fiend. Typically the fiend is weaker than the devil they were, but we still have to drip feed this one like poison gas for our own safety. Do not remove that mask.
Water in the world, all the money in the world. All the water in the world, all the money in the world. Can you really take it with you? All the water in the world, all the money in the world.
Ways to win the Nobel Prize in order to battle my boredom. For once I have earned such glorious esteem, all you humans will kowtow to me. I'll then make a stepping stone out of that gilded coin and snatch the Prime Minister's throne! What better way to ensure the suffering of lowly mortals? And my first act shall be to implement a 100% sales tax!
Nah, she's always like that.
Oh! No worries.
You got one shot, one taken, one goodbye. Yeah, I've been leaving so long. How many roads will walk? I don't know. Time to take me out to see the gunshot.
Name's Aki. How goes?
Everybody get up. What's his kill cam? Tyler jumps in front of it like he wasn't aiming for me, Service! Get down, Mr. President! No! You ready to slide into my room? I hit up from behind. Do it again like a person rewind, 'cause I ain't never babysitting. I've been lining up shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. You get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few. Come on, girl. Girl, you know you did everything I wanna get. There is no way to find someone like you. Come find my world.
コースかな。
Everybody's after my chainsaw heart! What about my heart? Denji's heart! Does nobody want that?
Minty made this.
Cool.
You idiot. After all this, you actually think that I'm hiding real feelings for you? Every time I touched you or smiled at you, it was a lie, part of my performance. I even trained myself to blush. If you quit your job, we can run away together. I'll be able to give you a happier life, I promise. And I'll protect you.
I'll wait for you at the cafe! I'll be there for lunch, okay? You better come!
Take a bite! I heard that by drinking blood, devils can heal whatever wounds they've got! If you don't want to die, then bite me! My blood doesn't come free. You're signing a contract. I helped you out and saved your life. Now return the favor. Because, like you, I'd rather not die yet.
Pochita. You did it, huh? Took my body like I asked?
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji. Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. That's all I ask of you.
We don't see eye to eye because he's still chasing his dream. Well, I already nabbed mine and then some. I take daily baths, eat awesome food, hang around a sexy chick who doesn't mind me. My life's a 10 out of 10, so why does it feel like something's missing?
Smell! I know it! She's the bomb! Damn it!